In a very basic sense, blockchain is an advanced version of a simple data structure taught in computer science, a linked list. A linked list is made up of nodes or blocks that contain data and a pointer or address to the next block. This concept is modified by blockchain through the use of hashing. A hash is the standard length of characters that can represent any length of data. A block in the blockchain stores the hash of the previous block, therefore creating a chain. Blockchain increases security by implementing a system called proof of work, which extends the time it takes to add a block to the chain and by being distributed in a peer-to-peer network. Being distributed makes it possible for a forced, unanimous decision whenever a block is valid or not by having the whole network validate the block. This implements trust of the data since it is verified by all the users in the peer-to-peer network. These mechanisms make blockchain a highly secure way of storing data that requires truth, since in order to hack a blockchain or modify an established block, three things need to happen. The hashing and the proof of work needs to be recalculated for all the blocks that follow the modified block and achieve control of 50% of the peer-to-peer network in order to add the block to the chain. Stuart Haber and W. Scott Stornetta wanted to create tamper-proof immutable records. They were concerned about implementing trust and came up with a genius solution. Everyone who participates in the data storage validates its truth. So in 1991, they developed an efficient way of time-stamping documents while making it extremely hard for modification and tampering to happen. This was the first iteration of blockchain. This technology went mainly in use in 2004 when Hal Finney developed a proof-of-work system that made it possible for blockchain to be used for transaction history. Then in late 2008, an individual or group of individuals under the name Satoshi Nakamoto introduced the peer-to-peer electronic cash system, developed the current proof-of-work system, and created the cryptocurrency called Bitcoin. In early 2009, Satoshi Nakamoto introduced Bitcoin as a currency by mining the first block after making the chain's first transaction with Hal Finney.
Blockchain's current main use in society is for cryptocurrency and is what makes cryptocurrency so powerful and disruptive. The record immutability that blockchain provides means that any cryptocurrency using it for storing transactions is decentralized and has no government control, allowing for the concept of a global currency. In third world countries, cryptocurrency can be used as a main currency as it would be immune to massive fluctuations in inflation due to political issues like that which occurred in Venezuela. It would also allow for no remittance fees, such as helping people avoid the preposterous 25% charge that could occur when attempting to transfer money from South Africa to Nigeria. Walmart uses blockchain for the records on its food supply chain, lowering the time it takes for the company to trace food item origins from 7 days to 2.2 seconds, helping to ensure the safety of its customers and preventing infected food from ending up in the store. Blockchain provides accountability through transparency and a globally available verified source of truth, which has the potential to force public companies to be entirely transparent with consumers through the use of a public transaction ledger. The technology can revolutionize many industries, like in music distribution, where it could remove middleman companies like Sony or Universal Music and allow artists to receive royalties directly from the people who use their music through the use of smart contracts, which are essentially automated escrow with no fees. Besides the music industry, smart contracts have the potential to make escrows obsolete since it makes a transaction happen once certain conditions are met. The technology for blockchain is not complete and the possibilities for its usage are vast and not limited to just storing data. An example is Ethereum, which has integrated a script allowing for the development of applications to run on a blockchain. Companies in a multitude of different industries continue to deploy blockchain technology in a variety of different ways, and while the hype around blockchain has died off recently, it remains a very viable product that will continue to affect society for years to come.